Oh no. Oh no, what's that? Oh no! Oh no, the cat, Pepe! Oh wait, she's alright. She's in the house. Don't worry. She's a stunt kitty. Don't try that at home. She's trained professional. Oh my goodness. What is that? What is that? No! My mother always told my brother and I never to play baseball in the house. Never listened to her, and we broke many items. But some people in northern New Jersey and Long Island are out driving around. This is still a Category 1 hurricane. Irene is doing damage here, causing flooding, heavy rains and winds. But those people got their cars trapped in the floodwaters. How dumb are they? Probably the same people who voted for Barack Obama. Signing off from Chappaqua, Tom Dixon. Back to you in the studios, Chuck.